Hey, what's up? Today, my buddy Son from Son Meats down here in Memson Toti gave me some delicious pork belly. So what I'm gonna do with this gorgeous little bastard, I'm going to roast it. I'm gonna put I think like a base of herbs underneath, and then score it over here. But before we can do that, what we need to do is you need to make sure your knife is nice and sharp. So, sharpen up this Machiavelli here. Sharp shoot. Remember, if you got a bad vibe, bad attitude, some bullshit, no cooking. You need a good vibe. Good vibe equals good food. Right. So just sharpen up this guy here. The next thing you must do, you need to have some coffee with some honey and some coconut milk. That's the right way to start. But we're going to get to that coffee story in a moment. First, we're going to score this bastard. When we get close to the meat, got to make sure your knife's sharp. If your knife is not sharp, you're not going to get a chaiki like this. A chaiki is a hole, bruh. Look at that nice hole. Hello, help me, eat me, yay. So, sharpen the knife up. This is crucial. You're going to put your herbs and salt and spices inside these holes as well, but it also prevents the meat from curling all the way up. As this thing starts cooking, that meat, that skin on the outside, hey, that thing's going to start curling like this here. You know, when things are curling, you're doing a good job. For example, if you make your cherry's toes curl, where my man, hey, then you know, bruh, things are good, things are good. If there's no curling on the toes, hey, you must find another job, bruh. Doing something bad, you know what I mean? You do it right the first time. And then I'm going to make some roast potatoes as well. And later on, obviously I'm going to use some honey. I'm going to make a honey glaze on the pork, because I really like honey. I really like honey a lot. Then, in another video coming up, I'm going to make I got some new meat to do a biltong. So apparently the first time I made biltong, I didn't do it the right way. So, fuck. So now my buddy, my ginger matey, or ginger ninja, he told me the right way to do it. So thanks, my buddy. Right, let me finish scoring up this thing, scoring the meat. Gonna score it. Peel these potatoes. I preheated the oven, so Be back just now. Right. Like that. Now, how's it there? So, I've scored the meat. You see here. Like that. Nice now. Then I'm also going to put some whole garlic cloves into those little slits. Put it in for about 30 minutes. Take it out, double check everything is nice. Then I'm going to we must put salt and pepper into those grooves as well, eh? You don't want to make a fuck up somewhere, so just put salt and pepper, you know. Put salt, pepper. Maybe it's gonna be alright. We have to just double check everything, you know. Then you must make sure you have coffee. Alright, so I'm gonna peel some potatoes and then I'll be back just now. Alright. Sharp. How's it? So what I've done, put some garlic, freshly cut garlic into these little baby pockets I made inside the meat, so you know it's going to give it a nice flavor. Then I'm going to put some salt and some pepper. Then I'm going to pour it inside for a while into the oven and have a cup of coffee, and then maybe come back in about an hour or so. Now it's about 2 o'clock, so we come and double check it about 3 o'clock. Alright, cool man. Okay, so we'll see you later. Lovely. So I just put the bad boy inside this tray that I've been heating up. Going inside there nice, like that. Then woo. Oh my god, that thing's hotter than Angelina Jolie's lips, man. You know? So now, just get it inside there nicely. Like this. Remember, that thing's hot, buddy. You don't want to get yourself burnt. This is a Sunday today. You don't want to get burnt on a Sunday. You're going to end up paying double for the doctor. So, just be careful. Don't be clumsy. Have some nice coffee. Coconut honey coffee. I'm going to put these peppers in underneath. So, you know, the aroma and that garlic vibe, they sit inside there nicely. Alright. Like that. We'll be back just now, 1 hour like I told you. So, you do what it is that you do, and you do it good. Alright. Hey! What's up? So, I forgot to season the meat. Lucky I caught it in time, so I'm going to put black pepper and salt. Then I'm going to put some honey inside those grooves I made there. Just a little bit for now. Lucky for me, still got some honey. Bought a backup. Honey's really good, eh? Some honey. And wipe it down. A little bit sticky over there. Right. See, now I put the seasoning. Now it's looking good. Can you see? Put some honey inside that groove that you cut. So, because I also made these little pockets here, if you look inside here where the garlic clove goes, I made a small little, another hole there. And then what I did, I put the garlic clove inside there. Then put a little bit honey inside that same little pocket, if you can remember where it is, because it's a small hole, not too big. You just see, I put the honey there. I want it to get stuck inside there with the garlic clove. And then you just smear it inside in that little, that slit. Woo. Put another all the way across. Like that. Then just now, I'm going to have to peel those potatoes. I hate peeling potatoes. Just put more honey. Don't be shy. You make sure that your skin has been covered with this honey. If you miss a hole, shame for you, Baba. Yeah. Don't dip it in to the fucking thing. You must have to wash it then afterwards. Alright, let me finish this because you guys are disturbing me now. Let me make a quick here, and then we'll be back just now. Alright, I must make coffee as well, so yaka. Yeah. Now I'm cutting the peppers here. So you just cut it at the bottom like this. Right. You just pull this thing out like this. Then, like it's a naughty pepper. So you got to spank it. No seeds. Even the other one, sorted. This thing here, you go throw it in your garden. Maybe you never know, you're going to get a luck and have your own peppers. Right. So, it's only been 10 minutes since I put the thing inside. So don't get excited. I'm just prepping the other stuff and then we'll sort out some more later. Right. Go watch some series or something. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know what you're going to do. You go do what you do. Lekker. So I've finished cutting the peppers, and then what I'm going to do is just put the pork on top here and then leave it to roast. Then the steam, obviously from cooking these, is going to penetrate the pork from underneath. Then I'm going to put the potatoes in as well in another container and then roast them together. Alright. Lovely. Nice beard, eh? Don't be jealous, bruh. Now, how's it? I'm going to peel some spuds. Must peel it quick over the sink. Hit it like this here. Make a mess there. Who cares? Who's going to complain to you? Hit it quick. You see? Oh. I never came here to play games. Making a roast spuds. Then I'm adding a special ingredient to make it roast even better. My buddy taught me this trick. So let's hope that it's going to work out nice. So let me finish up here and then I'll be back later. Alright. Cheers, guys. So the skins from the potato peels I'm going to boil. Then I'm going to throw in some dog bones. You can also get dog bones from our friend So on Meats. They're very cheap. It's like R1.50, R2 a packet. When you throw these in with the peels, then this will boil up for maybe 1 or 2 hours. Make a nice gravy. Then I'm going to give that to the dogs as well. Pour it over their pellets later. You know, make something nice there. Alright. Lekker. So now I cut up all my spuds. So I'm going to roast them with the pork. So I'm going to put the spuds underneath and on top because there's too many. That's hot, bruh. Ew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it so far. Look, bruh. Ha! What I did as well is I put some coriander and some fresh mint underneath as well. You can see how it's cooking there. That aroma. Let me tell you, that aroma is really nice. That's very, very delicious. You put them in the hole because you can pluck them out when it's done. You don't want to you don't want to I don't know what the fuck I was gonna say. Oh, you don't want to eat them like that. Anyway, fuck it. Got a special ingredient here. You put this as a covering on your spuds. I was busy looking for aromat, man. Don't we have aromat here? What the fuck? Alright. Well, I can't see any fucking aromat. Fuck. Anyway, Alright, let me do this quick. I'll be back later. Cheerio. Now, you're making your spuds. You put a light covering of this ingredient. I'll tell you what the ingredient is later. When I've tested it out, can't tell you now if it's going to be a failure. You know what I mean? So let's try it and then we'll see later. Alright. Okay, ciao. So this is what it's going to look like. Put that in the oven. We're going to put the pork back on top. So the juice from the pork is also going to cook onto the potatoes. Then we put the other remaining potatoes, these ones here, we're going to put those on the side here. Eesh, there's a lot. It's not going to fit. We make a plan. I'm going to take a quick look here. How's the roast going? Good.